Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll specifically demonstrate on 2012 Ford F150 that we have here at the garage, but even if you have a different year, that generation, it may work as well. You have a fuse for the vacuum pump as well. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel, Free Car Repair, that you're watching now. So if you open the hood on your F150, right under the hood above the radiator, you're going to see that fuse box, guys. That if you open that fuse box, you will see that it will look like that. Okay, that's the fuse box. Now in that fuse box, we'll be looking for the relay. If yours is equipped with a vacuum pump, okay, you have that relay. Not all F150s have that vacuum pump relay. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test relays and fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you have the 3.5 engine, you will have it, otherwise you will not have that relay, guys. Now those relays, you have only 3 different kinds of relays, guys. They could be really expensive and hard to find if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere or going through small towns, so we recommend to always buy some and keep as spares in the glove box. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping as well. The relay for the vacuum pump, if you have the 3.5 engine, will be the one right here, guys. That relay right here will be the one, okay, for the vacuum pump. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.